here. Somebody tell me, please. This whole world's confusing me. Clouds as lean as you've ever seen. Ain't a bird who knows you're true. Then a little voice inside you whispers, don't sell your dreams so soon. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a face of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look, when you're lost out there and you're all alone, life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
Hi, I'm Will Holland, and today I'm here with former YouTube sensation Kyle Inlander. And we're going to talk to you today about the periodic table.
If you need
I lost it all! Anyways, the periodic table is a list of every element known to man. Exciting, isn't it? But how is it organized? I don't get it. How?
I have no idea how it works.
Hey, slow down, buddy. I'm on page 5, you're on page 25. Furthermore, the periodic table is organized in increasing atomic mass.
if you need to.
That's it? That seems pretty simple.
Wow, that's actually really simple. I don't know why we're making a video on this if it's that simple.
Actually, it's pretty fancy.
I'm so fancy. You already know I'm in the fast lane. From LA to Tokyo, I'm so fancy. Can't you taste this gold? Remember.
So what are we doing?
Right, well, each horizontal row in the periodic table is known as a period.
The vertical columns in the periodic table are known as groups.
These groups include
Alkaline metals,
alkaline earth metals,
actinoids,
lanthanoids,
semi-metals,
non-metals,
halogens.
and last but certainly not least, the noble gases. The periodic table also has many trends within it, such as from left to right, ionization energy increases and the atomic radius decreases.
From top to bottom, atomic radius increases and ionization energy decreases.
Wow, that's a lot to take in. I think we should take this to our good buddy Neil deGrasse Tyson. Neil?
What up? It's your boy, Drizzy Drake. So, Neil, tell us something more about these groups in the periodic table. Well, you see, first, the alkali metals. These metals are the first group in the periodic table and usually only contain one electron in their outer shell. Do not occur freely in nature and are extremely reactive due to this. Oh, so they're pretty friendly and share their own electron, right? Exactly, Drake. Exactly. Next off, we have the alkaline earth metals. Like the alkaline metals, they're not naturally found in nature. Alkaline earth metals are also very active and have 2 electrons in their outer shell. Back to you, Kyle and Will.
Quite an interesting group. Formerly known as the rare earth metals, these elements are actually pretty common, and they range from atomic numbers 58 to 71. These elements are known for their softness.
After the lanthanides, we have the actinoids. The actinoids are all radioactive and aren't found on Earth, compared to the lanthanoids, which have 1 radioactive element and are all found on Earth.
Now let's transition into transition metals.
Now, this is quite a large group. Transition metals can hold 8 electrons in their outermost shell, and they can use 2 of their outermost shells to bond with other elements. Bring it in here, buddy.
No, get away! Poor metals is what we're going to talk about next. Okay, go.
Are they as poor as our god-awful acting?
I don't know. These metals, while not entirely useless, are the least reactive, but most electronegative group of elements.
Alright, now we're going to talk about the confused semi-metals.
Confused?
Yeah, semi-metals are shiny or dull, ductile, malleable, and better conductive of heat and electricity than non-metals, but not as good as metals.
Oh, I get it now.
Who do you think you are? You aren't even a metal. You're useless.
These elements are devoid of their ability to conduct electricity, as they're usually gases. So Halo Angel 65, tell us about these halogens.
I just want my old life back! These halogens have 7 electrons in their outermost shell and are literally known as salt formers.
Salt. Salt. Salt.
Last and probably least, since all of you have stopped paying attention, start paying attention because I'm quizzing you on this at the end. These elements are colorless, odorless. They have an oxidation level of 0. These elements are very stable since they can hold all their maximum amount of electrons in their outermost shell.
But helium holds 2!
Wow! Now we're going to talk about how each element is organized in the periodic table.
Kyle, there's no food there. Ugh. Each element has its own box, and the number on top is its atomic number, or the number of protons in the nucleus.
Didn't do that right. Next is the elemental symbol with the element's name listed on it.
Below that is the element's atomic weight, or ratio of the average mass of a chemical element's atoms to some standard. Since 1961, the standard unit of atomic mass has been 1/12 of the mass of an atom of the isotope carbon-12, also known as mole. Oh, hello. Science.